What's up, you guys? It is Ashley here with Dancing with Ash. And last week I talked about how to obtain your balance for your turns. And so now I'm going to be going into a series of all the different turns that we have for dancing. And this is going to be going into your ballroom dances, your Latin dances, any of them. I'll be going through a multitude of them, if not all of them. And I'm so excited about this series. And today we're going to be starting with the 3-step turn. So I'll catch you out on that dance floor. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start with our 3-step turn. And it's as simple as that. We're gonna be taking 3 steps over the course of this turn. We're gonna be starting going to the right. I'm gonna be facing you first. Starting with our right foot, we're gonna take a side step. As we take the side step, I'm placing my weight fully over my right foot. I'm going to close my left foot to my right foot. As I transfer weight onto my left foot, then I'm going to step to the side. All right, that's our 3-step turn. We'll do that again. So I'm stepping right, left, right. Okay, I'll do it facing this way. So starting with my right foot, I'm stepping to the right, going in the direction, nose with the toes. I'm going to close my feet, left foot to right foot, and then I'm going to then step to the side. Again, so we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can also do it in the other direction. Same exact thing. I'm going to take my left foot to the left, nose with the toes. I'm going to then close my right foot to my left foot as I step to the side. Again, with the left foot, we have step, together, side. I'll do it facing you guys, right? So we have left, together, to the left. So that is your 3-step turn. There are various footwork patterns that you can do depending on the dance that you're doing. It could be toe, toe, flat foot. It could be toe, 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 heel. Again, it just depends. But when you're turning, you're always going to be turning over the balls of the feet, as I described actually in our last video. So this is just how the turn's executed over 3 steps. It's not going over, right, the footwork or the style of the dance that we're talking about, because that can vary differently depending on the dance and also your instructor. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more from me, hit that subscribe button, because I'll be dropping videos every Thursday. And yeah, share with your friends, all that good stuff. Love you all. Happy dancing.